Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us solve one more problem related to transaction value and GST payable. The question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question so that while I'm explaining, it will be easy for you to understand. So, the selling price of the machine inclusive of CGST 9% and SGST 9% is 2,95,000. This sentence is very important. This 2,95,000, whatever the value is there, it is inclusive of CGST and SGST. ಈ 2,95,000 selling price ಅಲ್ಲಿ CGST 9% ಮತ್ತೆ SGST 9% ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Cost of durable and returnable packing included in the sale price. So this cost 10,000 rupees is already included in the sale price 10,000. Design and development charges paid by buyer on behalf of third party. So the design and development charges, it is paid but it is not included. So that is 12,000. Include agilla, pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ but warranty charges charged separately and then you should understand it is not included 4,000. Rate of GST is 18%. Compute GST payable. Now first we have to always find out the selling price. ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ selling price ನ ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So total selling price ಎಷ್ಟು 2,95,000. 2,95,000 it is inclusive of GST. ಸೊ 2,95,000 ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ GST ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ GST ಇಲ್ದಲೇ ಇರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು GST ನ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ GST ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು 100 by 180. The reason is total GST is how much? 9% plus 9%. Total 18%. So this 2,95,000 equals 118%, which is nothing but 100% is the selling price plus 18% is GST. So this 2,95,000 whatever it is there, it is 18%. We consider it as 18% because it has selling price plus GST. ಈ 2,95,000 ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆಫ್ GST ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ GST ನೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 100% ಆದ್ರೆ GST ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ? 18% ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೆಷ್ಟು? ಕೇವಲ 100%. We want only selling price which is 100%. So we will divide 100 by 118. 2,95,000 into 100 divided by 118. When we divide that, we will get 2,50,000 as selling price exclusive of GST. So this is a working note which is for your convenience. I have made 2,95,000 is equal to 118%. How it is 118%? Because it has 100% selling price plus 18% GST. For the computation of transaction value, we have to remove all the GST. When we remove the GST from 2,95,000, we will get 2,50,000 as the selling price exclusive of GST. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So first inclusion whatever we have is design and development charges paid by buyer. So first is design and development charges paid by the buyer is 12,000 rupees. Next we have warranty charges charged separately. Warranty charges charged separately, it is 4,000 rupees. Now for this 2,50,000 add 12,000 and 4,000. 2,50,000 ಗೆ 12,000 ಮತ್ತೆ 4,000 ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 2,66,000 rupees ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. From that we have to deduct any exclusions. So see, cost of durable and returnable packing, it is include ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Since it is included, we have to subtract. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 10,000 rupees. ಸೊ 2,66,000 ಇಂದ 10,000ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2,56,000 rupees ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. From 2,66,000, if we deduct 10,000 rupees, we will get the transaction value. Using this transaction value, we need to find out the GST payable. So from this, we need to find out the GST payable. So transaction value is 2,56,000. The formula is output tax liability equals transaction value into rate of GST. So on transaction value, we have to apply the rate of GST. In question, they have told that the rate of GST is 18%. And here also they are clearly mentioned CGST is 9% and SGST is 9%. So on 2,56,000, we will charge CGST at 9% and SGST at 9%. It will be 23,040 rupees and 23,040 rupees. If we add both 23,040 plus 23,040, you will get 46,080 rupees, and that is a total GST payable. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ CGST 9%, SGST 9% ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2,56,000 ಮೇಲೆ 9% CGST 9% SGST ನ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ GST ಪೇಯಬಲ್ 46,080 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So cost of packing, the cost of durable and returnable packing included in the sale price, so it has to be deducted. So cost of durable and returnable packing include ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem very well. If you have understood, please put in the comment box. If you have any doubt, please post that also so that I can respond to your doubts as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.